DiDi! Hey everyone! It's so nice to have you here for another drawing. Today I am drawing a happy little bird. Do you see it? Yes. Do you like birds? Birds fly high in the sky. This bird is going to be yellow. And it's got an orange beak. Do you like it? That's it for today. It was nice having you here. See you at the next drawing.